not bad. I only paid $25 for this month's box.
No basic song.
Hey sis gang, welcome back to another video with your girl Stushy. So if you're new, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. We would love to see you become a part of the Stush gang. We're on the road to 5K and we would love for you to join us along the journey. And welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So today I'm going to be opening my January Boxycharm box with you guys. This came in the mail yesterday and I figured why not come on here and open this box up with you guys, show you guys what I got from Boxycharm. So if you're interested in seeing what I got from Boxycharm for the month of January, keep on watching. Make sure you watch this video in its entirety because there are usually bloopers at the end of all my videos, so you want to stick around for that. Make sure you like this video if you actually enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, if you have any thoughts, if you have anything that you want to say to me, drop a comment down below. Let's continue the conversation. So if you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a beauty box subscription that gets delivered to your door every single month. So mine usually comes in the middle of the month. The day that I'm recording this video is actually January 15th. So I paid $25 for beauty products, full-size beauty products. Let me not forget that, for full-size beauty products to come to my door every single month. And usually the products that you get in here are valued way more than the $25 that you pay monthly. I personally signed up for Boxycharm because if you are new to my channel, I am a beauty influencer. I love everything beauty. I love everything that has to do with beauty. So I figured why not sign up for a beauty subscription box that can come to my door every single month. I don't have to go into Sephora to buy stuff, although I still do. But a lot of the products that you do get in the box come from brands like Sephora, come from brands like Ulta and stuff like that. So I figured this was a great way for me to try new products. So that's why I signed up. So if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll have my referral link down below. Check it out. So enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay. So let's open the box. Ooh. Okay. So if you've never seen a Boxycharm box or inside of a Boxycharm box, this is usually what it looks like. So it says Boxycharm inside, it has the Instagram handle, and it also has the hashtag. So this month is called Fresh Start. I hear that because we're in the month of January. And it also says Hello Charmer, which I personally love because if you didn't know, on YouTube I go by Stushy, but my real name is Sharma. So Hello Charmer, Hello Sharma. It's like it's personalized. It's like it was made for me. So the first thing that I see is this Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. Okay. Just because I keep up with a lot of beauty products, I know this brand. This brand is actually sold in Sephora. So I already know this is going to cost a little bit of coin. So this is an oil-free silicone daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without feeling greasy. So to my knowledge, gel moisturizers are usually for people that have oily skin, hence the oil-free formula. But I have combination to dry skin. I'll definitely be giving this a try, but if it doesn't work for me, I'll be giving it to my mom. But this item actually retails for $38. Not bad. We only paid $25 for our Boxycharm box, so I've already made the cost of the box in this one product. Let me go ahead and open it. Let's see. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and apply a little bit. It smells really good as well. It doesn't have an overpowering fragrance. It just smells fresh. That's the texture that it's given. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some to the back of my hand and let's see what it do. What it does. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it has a light scent. My hand definitely feels nourished. It doesn't feel oily at all. Obviously it might feel a little bit different on my face, but okay, she's cute. I'm gonna leave this on my hand for the remainder of the video and let's see how my hand feels at the end. So the next product that I received was this Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss. And this is in the shade Unprofessional. Cute. I've never actually heard of this brand, and apparently this is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. And let's go ahead and open her up. Let's see what she looks like inside. Okay, so I actually don't see myself wearing this lip gloss, and I also recently picked up a ton of new lip glosses from Sephora. So I'll probably be giving this item away at some point when I have my next giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. I'm not gonna swatch it, but if I can find a swatch of it online, I'll go ahead and insert it right here for you to check it out. So yeah, I don't see myself needing this product, so I'd rather give it to someone else than to, you know, hoard it and keep it if I'm not going to use it. The Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss actually retails for $18. Not bad. Apparently it's a sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. Okay, I like the marketing for this. And it says HR is already sweating. Whoever wrote this, shout out to you, boo, because you know how to sell a product. The next item that I received in this month's Boxycharm box is this Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. This is another brand that I haven't heard of, and that's what I like about Boxycharm, is the fact that they introduce you to a lot of new brands, a lot of indie brands, a lot of brands that you might not find at your regular Sephora or at your regular Ulta, because you can get some new products that you've never heard about and you end up loving. So I love that. Let's go ahead and open this up. I love me a lip mask, so I'll probably be keeping this. I'll definitely be testing this out. If you know, you know I love the Laneige lip mask, but I'm always open to trying a new lip mask. So this one comes in a tube, which is really cute. I actually like the packaging of this as well. And it is also a cruelty-free product and a vegan product. It is formulated with apricot, jojoba, and rose hip oil. Okay. It works synergistically to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plump at the same damn time. So it smells really good. It smells just like apples, actually. And I can already tell that they did actually put jojoba oil and rose hip oil in the formula, because I can see it at the top when, you know, squeezing this product out. So I'll definitely be giving this a try. I'll update you guys in probably one of my vlogs or something like that. So if you're not checking out my vlogs, which you should be, then make sure you're sticking around for that. And the Seraphine Botanicals Glow Lip Balm actually retails for $25. So that's the Boxycharm box right here. The next item that I got in this month's Boxycharm box is actually this Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer in the shade G6, and it is an all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with an SPF of 20. Now 20 is not enough for me, but I'm happy that they incorporated some SPF in the formula. But when you sign up for your Boxycharm box, they ask you to fill out a series of questions just so that they can send you items that they feel like you would like. They also have you fill out some complexion questions as well, so that they can try their best to match you to something like a foundation or something like a brow pencil. So that's how they were able to choose this shade. Let's see if this actually matches me, or let's see if we can make it work. Being that I have the moisturizer on this hand, let's go ahead and apply the foundation or the tinted moisturizer to this hand. So if you guys are unfamiliar with what a tinted moisturizer is, it is basically a lighter foundation. So it's usually a moisturizer mixed with a foundation. So it's going to give you a little bit less coverage, and it's also going to, you know, feel a little bit more natural on the skin, feel a little bit more skin-like. So this is the shade. Obviously I would have to try this on my face first, but I'm just going to see how it looks on my hands. It looks a little light. It does look a little light, but I'm key finesser with a little bit more contour, some bronzer. We'll actually give this foundation a try. But this Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer actually retails for $35, which isn't bad for a foundation slash tinted moisturizer, so not mad. And the last product that I was sent in this month's Boxycharm box is actually an eyeshadow palette. When I saw this, I was so excited, mostly because of the brand. I have one other palette from this brand, and I actually love how their shadows perform. And the brand is Violet Voss. So they actually sent me this Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This is the palette. So let's go ahead and open it up. I haven't opened it up as yet, and I've been wanting an all green eyeshadow palette, so Boxycharm definitely just answered my prayers. Let's open it together. Let's open it together. Wow, you guys, this palette is beautiful. This will look so good on my complexion. Honestly, this palette will look great on everyone's complexion, which is what I like about Boxycharm. The products that they usually choose to send can work on a lot of different complexions, but this is beautiful. This Olive Glow color right here, ooh, this one right here, Olive Me, this Endless Desire in the crease. A look is coming with this for sure, so be on the lookout. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. I'll definitely be giving you guys a look with this Violet Voss palette. Let's see how much this Olive You Forever palette retails for. $34. Okay, not bad. I know Violet Voss usually brings quality, usually brings pigment with her eyeshadow palettes, so I'm super excited to try this out. Let's actually swatch a few shades. Let's swatch them. Olive Me, Olive You, Olive Glow, and Endless Desire. Let's do it. Butter. These shadows swatch so effortlessly, you guys. I cannot wait to do a look with this. I cannot wait to use this palette, you guys. It's gonna be a look. And with all my Boxycharm videos, I like to tally up the retail cost for all of the products that were given to me, that were sent to me by Boxycharm in the month. So let's go ahead and do that. 34 plus 38 plus 35 plus 25 plus 18. The products in today's Boxycharm box actually totaled $150, you guys. Not bad. I only paid $25 for this month's box. And let's see how this hand is feeling. My hand doesn't feel dry at all, but I personally like thicker moisturizer, so I'll probably be using this on summer days, or again I might just give it to my mom. It wouldn't be good for me during the winter because I need a little bit more hydration during the winter. And I'm still in awe over the swatches from the Olive You Forever palette. So I think the item that I'm most excited for in this month's Boxycharm box is this. That is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are subscribed to Boxycharm, let me know what you guys got in your January box. If you have any questions about Boxycharm itself, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll get right back to you. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't head out without leaving your girl a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to join the gang. Make sure you turn on your post notifications to be alerted whenever I drop the next Boxycharm video for the month of February, and to be alerted whenever I drop a makeup tutorial showing you guys how I use my Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for stopping in for today's video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys. For the month of December. Unfamiliar with whoa, we're recording. No ma'am. For the video, so if you're interested in watching, we get a quick thumbnail. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into today's. Share this video with I wanted to let you guys know really good. So before we you can find some, you can